Let me take you on a fascinating journey through the life of Charles Darwin, a man who forever changed our understanding of life on Earth. Picture a young boy in the early 1800s, wandering through the English countryside. Collecting beetles and rocks, that was Charles, always curious about the natural world around him. You might think Darwin was destined to be a brilliant scientist from the start, but here's the twist. His father wanted him to become a doctor. Young Charles actually dropped out of medical school because he couldn't stand the sight of surgery. Can you imagine? The person who would later revolutionize biology nearly ended up in a completely different field. But fate had other plans. In 1831, at just 22 years old, Darwin embarked on what would become the most important journey of his life, a 5-year voyage aboard the HMS Beagle. Picture yourself on that ship, sailing across vast oceans, exploring exotic lands, and encountering creatures you've never seen before. That's exactly what Darwin experienced. The most fascinating part of his journey was his visit to the Galapagos Islands. Here's where the magic happened. Darwin noticed something incredible about the finches on different islands. Their beaks were different shapes, perfectly adapted to the specific foods available on each island. This observation sparked an idea that would simmer in his mind for decades. For 20 years, Darwin worked meticulously, gathering evidence and refining his theory. He was actually nervous about publishing his findings. Imagine sitting on a revolutionary idea that you know might upset the entire world. It wasn't until another naturalist, Alfred Russel Wallace, came up with similar ideas that Darwin finally published